Welcome back to ChennaiProperties.in, and today we are going to review OMR as a locality. Yes, the old Mahabalipuram road, popularly known as the IT corridor of Chennai. In this episode, we're going to dive deeper and know more about the reason why it is the IT corridor of Chennai, connectivity, the infrastructural development, and the civic issues in this region. So stay tuned to know more about OMR. The old Mahabalipuram road, also known as Rajiv Gandhi Salai, is one of the significant roads in Tamil Nadu. It stretches over a length of 45 kilometers, starting from Madhya Kailash Temple on Sardar Patel Road in southeast Chennai and ending at the ECR near Mahabalipuram. The road is divided into two major zones based on development and growth. The Zone 1 extends from Madhya Kailash to Solinganallur and the Zone 2 from Solinganallur to Kelambakam. Popular localities along OMR include Perungudi, Thuraipakkam, Solinganallur, Siruseri, Navalur, Tiruporur, Padur, Semmanjeri, Kelambakam, Talambur, and Karapakkam. As I mentioned earlier, OMR is popularly known as the IT corridor of Chennai, as it is a significant landmark in the city's technological development. Yes, the transformation of OMR began with the inauguration of Tidal Park in 2000. This sparked a revolution that led to the development of a 30-kilometer stretch from Madhya Kailash in Adyar to Siruseri IT Park in the south, marking the rise of Tamil Nadu's first IT corridor. Today, OMR is a bustling hub housing numerous IT and ITS companies and contributing to nearly 3/4 of the state's software exports. This corridor is home to Asia's largest IT parks, namely Tidal Park, World Trade Center, Siruseri IT Park, Chennai One, Futura Tech Park, TECCI Park, Ramanujan IT City, and more. The strategic location near major points of interest and excellent connectivity through various modes of public transportation make OMR a prime spot for real estate and a preferred location for home buyers. OMR is a popular residential and commercial area due to its proximity to major IT hubs, good infrastructure, affordable housing options, and the presence of top schools and colleges. It also offers easy access to amenities like shopping, restaurants, and recreational facilities. The demand for residential properties in OMR has increased due to the influx of professionals working in the IT sector, which boosts the real estate market in OMR. You can always visit ChennaiProperties.in to find the listings of verified projects with all the essential details. The link is in the description box. Check out now to make informed decision in property buying. OMR is renowned for its comprehensive range of amenities. The area boasts a variety of dining options from budget-friendly eateries to upscale restaurants. It also features modern shopping malls and world-class healthcare facilities. Many residential apartments in OMR offers amenities such as landscape gardens, gym, swimming pools, and more. Additionally, OMR's excellent connectivity to the rest of the city makes commuting convenient for residents. These amenities significantly enhance the quality of life for residents, making OMR a desirable location for both residents and commercial purposes.